Now this right here, you guys, let me give you a close-up. This is your nighttime recovery. I'm gonna say that one more time. Nighttime recovery. You see those little beads in there? That's Resveratrol. Those things burst once you pump it out of this bottle here. They burst. They go onto your face. It's going to calm the skin, recover the skin. You know, after you've stressed all day, it's going to make your skin feel amazing. This product has chamomile extract in there, which is known to calm and soothe the skin. This is gonna help recover your skin. All that stress, all that stuff that you were doing the day before, this is gonna relax you. You're gonna wake up and your skin is going to feel absolutely amazing.